Namaste. Whether it is a fleeting annoyance or a full-fledged rage, anger is completely normal human emotion. Anger becomes problem only when it goes out of control. You may think that the external things like wrong actions of other people or frustrating situations cause anger in you. But it is not true. The problem is not in the situations or the people, but in the way of your thinking and interpretations. So, you can change your thinking and interpretations wisely, and you can manage anger effectively. There are 4 wrong thinking patterns that trigger and fuel anger. The first one is having rigid views. When the outer happenings are not matching with your inner expectations, you get angry. But rigidity is the enemy of peace of mind. Unless you are becoming flexible and ready to accept the reality, you cannot control anger. The second trigger is wrong assumptions. You assume that you know what others are thinking and feeling. You start believing that others are intentionally upset you. They ignore you and they disrespect you. It is wrong. Nobody can exactly know what others are thinking. So, reduce your tendency to assume the things. The third trigger is letting small irritations to build up. It is looking for things to get upset about and collecting them in your memory. You begin to build up the small irritations until you reach the level of bursting point and explode. Don't do that. Learn to ignore the little mistakes of others. Fourth trigger is your low tolerance to inconveniences, petty annoyances, and frustrations. They are unavoidable part of our life. Everything cannot go smoothly. Every situation cannot be perfect. So get used to them and increase your tolerance level. Chronic and explosive anger affects your relationships, health, career, and your state of mind. Anger reduces love and affection in your relationships. It affects your heart, ideal cholesterol level, and immune system. Anger damages your good reputation in career. It clouds your thinking. It makes you hard to concentrate and enjoy life. Usually, you either express anger or you suppress anger. While you are expressing anger, you are creating negative vibration in your outer atmosphere. When you are suppressing anger, you are turning it inside and creating negative vibrations inside your mind. Both are wrong. So understand your anger and take control of it. You cannot get rid of the annoying people and frustrating situations in your life. They are part of them. Sometimes you cannot change them, but you can change your reaction to them. When the ego is the problem, when the ego is the real cause of your anger, dissolve your ego slowly. Remind yourself that Anger is not going to fix anything in your life. It won't make you feel better. Actually, it will make you feel worse. Become less judgmental and more forgiving. Remember the truths we have discussed. If you are still angry, withdraw from the situations before making irreversible damage in life. If possible, divert your attention to something else that relaxes you, like watching humorous movies or listening calming music. Manage your anger before anger manages you. Let's explore more about our peace of mind next Wednesday. Thank you.